If there's one ice cream that tastes like summer in a bowl, it's fresh peach. The good news, you don't need a complicated recipe to make it at home. Hi, I'm Maria. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite summer ice creams using fresh peaches and just a handful of simple ingredients. And before we're done, I'll show you one optional addition that takes this recipe to another level. Let's get started. I love using fresh peaches because they give this ice cream a natural peach flavor that you just can't get from artificial flavoring. We're using 4 cups of ripe peaches, peeled and diced. I ended up using about 4 or 5 peaches. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of an allulose blend or your preferred sweetener, and some fresh lemon juice. Mix it all up and set it aside while we work on the base. Since this recipe has so few ingredients, every one of them matters. I like using good quality cream and half because they're doing most of the work to create the rich, creamy texture, so I prefer to use organic and non-GMO whenever possible. Let's add 2 cups of the cream and 1 cup half and half. If you don't have half and half, replace with an additional half a cup of cream and half a cup of milk, or you can just simply add an extra cup of milk. Half a cup of sweetener. I'm using an allulose blend, which behaves very similar to sugar and ice cream, both in taste and by lowering the freezing point, making the ice cream more scoopable. 2 tablespoons non-fat milk powder for additional texture, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, an 1/8 of a teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of bourbon. You can omit the alcohol if you prefer not to use it. Let's give this a good blend. I like using my Ninja blender for this, especially since we're going to be using fruit. It blends everything really nice. All right, let's give this a taste. Oh, it's nice and thick. It's beautiful. Excellent. Nice and peachy. We'll want this base to get nice and cold before churning. You can put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, or I like to put mine in my deep freezer for about 30 or so minutes, and that works also. I mentioned earlier that we use allulose as our sweetener. If you're interested in how different sweeteners behave in ice cream, I created a guide that you can download for free using the QR code on the screen. I will also link it in the description. We use the KitchenAid ice cream attachment. It makes great soft serve ice cream in about 20 minutes. It's an affordable option if you already have the mixer. I'll leave a link to the attachment in the description. I also wanted to mention that we are not sponsored by KitchenAid. We genuinely love the appliance and the attachment for making delicious homemade ice cream. What are you doing? This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable, my love. This is one of my fur babies, Watson. All right, big boy. Off the counter, off the counter. Let's pour the base and start the churning. Remember that little finishing touch I mentioned earlier? I'll show you what I did once this finishes churning. Here's the addition I promised. I soaked a few diced peaches in a little bit of bourbon while the ice cream was churning. It's completely optional, but it adds just a little extra peach flavor and just the subtle warmth that works beautifully with this ice cream. We'll fold these into the soft serve in layers. This texture turned out beautiful and as I expected, and because we added an extra 4 cups of peaches, the yield will be slightly more than the normal quart, which is really never a problem around here to have a little extra. This is exactly what I want peach ice cream to taste like: fresh, creamy, and full of real peach flavor. I think this one's going to become a summer tradition in our house, and it's definitely earned a place in my cookbook. If you enjoy recipes like these with better ingredients, subscribe and follow along. I post new recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.